Hey guys, so I am starting with this stainless mug that I got from Ross. It was $11.99. And yes, I did start this when it was Christmas time. Don't judge me. Sometimes cups just take me a while. So taking off all the wrapper and stickers so I can prep the cup. Prepping with Mattify, of course. Then just taking the black Color Fix paint. I'm just going to do one coat and go right over with my glitter. So the black is a little less pigmented than some of the other colors. So if you just want a pure black and not to do glitter on top, you would do 2 coats. Just do 1 coat, let it dry, and do the second. But since we're going right over with glitter, I didn't need to do a second coat. This is this beautiful deep green glitter from my tropical rainforest collection. It is coming soon. It's got so many bright, beautiful colors, but this one is just so beautiful. I just can't, oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so doing just a full coverage with this glitter. And you can see how the Color Fix paint just grips on and holds onto that glitter. So there's no reason to use Mod Podge or epoxy or anything to adhere the glitter. It's just paint and glitter all in one step. Makes it so simple. And if you realized you missed any spots, just take your paintbrush and just go right back over and add more glitter. Just really simple to clean it up if you did miss any spots. So there is our flawless full coverage cup. So I let that dry. I did seal it also with some clear spray paint. Then going on with my first layer of the Artistry Fast Set 1-to-1 Fast Set. Why did I say it backwards? But you get it, just evenly distribute the epoxy on there. And just make sure to get really well around the handle and make sure there's no globs around the handle. That can happen. I did another coat on there to make it nice and shiny and smooth so that we can add our next step. So for this one, I just kind of wanted to do some random shape. So I decided to do like a triangle on the side here. So just using some masking tape to tape it off. Then coming at the other angle with the other one to make my long triangle. Then taking Coral Island Color Fix paint. I am in love with this color. Using a makeup brush to put this on, it makes it go on nice and smooth. And I did do 2 coats of this just so I have a really nice bright color.
Morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike.
So then I let that dry, and now going on with a second coat. Since I am going to have this color showing, I just wanted to be nice, full coverage. So then again, while it's still wet, using Golden Hour, this beautiful kind of golden with iridescent and holographic pops, chunky mix. And I'm just going to coat the top and then kind of just angle it down so we get that kind of ombre effect. Then while it was still wet, I went ahead and peeled the tape off. No need to wait for it to dry. I also wiped off any glitter that was sticking up on the rim, just so we don't have anything sticking up that we have to deal with later. It's just a lot easier to do it now. Then I sealed it with the clear spray paint, probably a good like 3 times. I really did not want that chunky glitter to budge. So then going on with another layer of the fast set epoxy. Then I cut out my decals. I just did Tropical Paradise in this kind of rose gold coppery color. Then just weeding out the vinyl. Then I also have this cute little palm tree and sun decal that I found. These were all on the Over app, I believe. So I also cut it out in an offset in black. So then just using some tape to transfer it. Then we're just going to stack the vinyl before we put it on the cup. It's way easier to do before. Then I cut the words to do separately because I kind of wanted the tropical to be a little bit more on top of Paradise than it was. So I just cut them apart and I'm placing them separate. Then adding my little tree and sun. Then just one more coat of epoxy to finish off this tropical cup. So then it was done. So then adding the lid, and I found on Amazon these really pretty silicone straws, and I got some little umbrellas just to add to the kind of tropical theme. So I chose the bright green one and this kind of corally pink umbrella. Who doesn't love these little drink umbrellas? They're just the cutest thing ever. And now I have a whole box of them. So I just think that adds the cutest little touch, perfect for a gift or if you're doing something for a party. This is how my tropical cup turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I don't know if you guys are ready, but I am ready for summer. We're in Texas. It's already hot, but I'm ready. I'm ready for the tropical fruity drinks, just the heat. bring on the heat, and I'm ready with this cup. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.